Welcome students, today is the lecture of class 8, lecture number 3. We have done at question number 1 in previous lecture. Now we are going to start question number 2. So question number 2 has two parts, part A and part B. In question number 1 we have proved that we have verified commutative laws over union and intersection. Union and intersection you have understood very well in previous question, okay? So now we have to verify that associative laws over union and associative law over intersection. Associative law over union and associative law over intersection. So here the part A, X union into the brackets y union z is equal to the x union y, x union y brackets and then union z, and part B is x intersection brackets y intersection z bracket close is equal to the x intersection y brackets and then intersection to z. Okay students, how to solve? There are four questions are given. I have done one question. I have done in one question in this lecture, and other question you have to solve in your notes. Okay, I have select first part. Okay, so for solving this question, student remember that you have to solve the brackets part फर्स्ट. सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट्स वाले पार्ट को सॉल्व करना है. जो ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर पार्ट गिवन है उसको पहले सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, देन take union or intersection with other set. Okay, first of all, for solving this question you have to solve the brackets part first. Brackets वाला part पहले solve करेंगे. Okay, so let's start students. So students, let's see question number 2, part A, x union into the brackets y union z is equal to the x union y and then union brackets then union z. So first part we have taken this part. X belongs to a set A B C D, y belongs to B D E F, z belongs to C F G H. Okay, and we have to verify this associative law over union. So let's take left hand side is x union y into the brackets y union z. As I mentioned in this question we have to solve brackets part first. So first of all solve y union z. What is the y set? B D E F. Okay, then union sign. What is the z? C F G H. Okay, as you know that in the union we have write the members of set A, set B and both set A and B. हमने दोनों के लिखने होते तमाम मेंबर्स, लेकिन तरतीब के साथ, और कोई भी सेट में से मेंबर रिपीट ना हो. दोनों के तमाम को लिखेंगे लेकिन तरतीब के साथ और उसमें से कोई भी रिपीट ना हो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट दी y union z. So as in the alphabets, first member B, then C, then D, then E, then F, then G, then H. Okay, we have arranged in the alphabetic sequence and write all the members of set X, set Y, set Z according to the given sets. Here the sets are given XZ, so we have write according to the sets XZ. Okay, so now take the union with X. So now X union Y union Z, इसका आंसर हमने फाइंड किया हुआ है दिस. ओके, सो X A B C D union X union Z's answer. Y union Z's answer here. So B C D E F, G or H. Okay, then now write the answer. According to the union, write all the members of set X and set Y union Z. So first A, B here, B is also here, so write only once. C here, C is also here, so write only once. D is here, D is also here, so write only once. Then four members of set X union Z also write, because in union we have write all the members without repetition and in sequence. Okay, E, F, G or H. So this is your answer of X union brackets Y union Z. Okay, now the right hand side. Right hand side X union Y union Z. In the right side, first of all, in the left side we have solved brackets part Y union Z, but in this right side you have to solve X union Z first. Okay, so X union Y, X union Y, A, B, C, D, union Y, Y set is B, D, E, F. Okay, so according to the union rules, write all the members of both sets without repetition and in sequence. A, B, then C, D, E, F. Okay, A, B, C, D, B or D also here, so write only once, and E, F. Okay, now take X union Y union Z. So here the answer of X union Y is A, B, C, D, E or F. Okay, and then take union with Z or Z here, C, F, G or H. So in union you have to write all the members of set A or set B or both set A or B. Okay, without repetition. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So if you observe that the answer of left hand side is also A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so our question is verified. Verified that, hence proved that, or verified that, hence proved left hand side is equal to the right hand sides. Okay, student, now the part B. X intersection into the brackets Y intersection Z is equal to the X intersection Y and then intersection with Z. We have take third part. In third part the set A is belongs to -1, 0, 2, 4, 5. Y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and Z belongs to 4, 6, 8, 10. As you done in part A, associative law over union, so same as it is, take first left hand side is X intersection brackets Y intersection Z. So solve bracket part first. So first solving Y intersection Z, so write the both set. Y set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 intersection sign. Z set is 4, 6, 8, 10. As you know that in intersection we have write the members of both side, both Y और Z जो दोनों में से belong करेंगे. We have write only the members that are belongs to both set, दोनों में से belong करें. Not only once, belongs to both sets. In other words, matches between both sides. Only write the members that are matches between both sides. Okay, both sides mean both sets. Okay, so here the Y or Z set. So 1 is here, but 1 is not here, so don't write 1. Okay, then 2 is here, 2 is not here, so don't write 2. 3 is here, 3 is not here, so don't write 3. 4 is here, 4 is here. Okay, then 7 is here, but 7 is not here. 8 is here, but 8 is not here. 10 is here, but 10 is not here. So our answer completed on just 4. Just 4. Then take intersection with x. X intersection y intersection z into the brackets. X minus 1, 0, 2, 4, 5 intersection sign. Then answer of y intersection z is set just a member having 4. Okay, now the answer. Take, see here, minus 1 is here, not here. 0 is here, not here. Except for no member belongs to set y intersection z, just matches 4, so our answer is also 4. Okay, now right hand side, this is answer of left hand side. Now right hand side is x intersection y, and then take intersection with z. So solve brackets part first. X intersection y, so x set is minus 1, 0, 2, 4, 5. Then intersection with z, sorry, x intersection y, we have take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay, now x intersection y, minus 1 is here, but here is the plus 1, so don't write 1. 0 is here, but 0 is not here. 2 is here, 2 is here, so write 2. 4 is here, 4 is here, so write 4. 5 is here, but 5 is not here. Okay, so our answer is completed at 2 and 4. Okay, because no members except 2 or 4 matches between two set x or y. Okay, as intersections rule. Okay, now take with intersection z here. As the answer of x intersection y is 2, 4, so write first 2 and 4, then intersection sign and write set z 4, 6, 8, 10. As per intersection rule, you have to just write the members that are belongs to both sides. Belongs to both sides, दोनों में से belong करे. Okay, so 2 is here, but 2 is not here. 4 is here and 4 is here. Okay, then set completed. So only 4 is a member that matches, that belongs to both sides. No other member belongs to both sides. Just the member 4 is belong to both sets. So this is your answer, right hand side. This is your answer, left hand side, and this is your answer is right hand side. So both left hand side and right hand sides are equal. So right, hence prove that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay students, you have to solve in your notes all the 4 parts for associative law over union and all the 4 parts associative law over intersection in your notes. Okay, thank you.